We're going to now give you a zero of the function, and this example is going to be a square root. All right, so here's what we give you. We give you one of the zeros of the function is at 2 plus the square root of 3. Remember what happens when you have square root zeros. They occur in pairs. So you change the sign of that positive 3, square root of 3, and you have it as 2 minus the square root of 3. So those are your two zeros of the function. So now let's write it in factoring form. F of x equals x minus and x minus. All right, so here's my first zero. There's going to be 2 plus the square root of 3. And here's our other one. 2 minus the square root of 3. All right. What we want to do is we want to clean this up. So the first thing that I do is I distribute the negative through. So it looks like this. X minus 2 minus the square root of 3. X minus 2 plus the square root of 3. So you're distributing the negative through. Now I'm going to regroup the first two terms and the first two terms together. And now we do the FOIL. Do we do the entire FOIL? No, we do cheater FOIL. We only have to worry about the first and the last. So here's your first. Here's your last. All right, so let's go ahead and continue. So first would be x minus 2 times x minus 2 plus negative square root of 3 times positive square root of 3. Now we clean up. We're going to continue and we're going to FOIL the blue. First, outside, inside, last. X squared minus 2x minus 2x plus 4. Combine like terms, we get x squared minus 4x plus 4. All right, so the blue has been FOILed and cleaned up. With the purple, negative square root of 3 times positive square root of 3 is negative square root of 9 because we multiply 3 and 3 together. Now, what is the square root of 9? It is 3, but I still have a negative out in front. So now I just combine like terms together with my constants, and I have x squared minus 4x. These are my like terms, 4 and negative 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. So there is my polynomial function.